sometimes do.
Stars through the perilous fight. Keeps it alive, used the body well, fires hot call.
Oh, Jimmy!
Oh shit!
Yeah, it was wide open. This guy misses open. That's too much.
Kid number 23. The Han with a shot that's deflected wide over the top.
Oh, what a save!
And one question
shit.
on his shot by the cause. Heedle's pass blocked. Heedle again.
Just shoot, Phillip! Yo!
And a save by Mrazek. Go ahead, just I think
Playing like Brian Leach.
there's Domestikov shooting.
Oh, strong!
Down by Mrazek. Deflect. Aho, but gets it back.
It should be Eddie and Sam. That would be sick.
Pass through. Aho shoots and it's blocked.
Out of my Star Z! Out of my Star Z!
Go for it. Nowadays, they're using that guy. Shot pass. Here he got some. Eddie Olczyk with us here in the booth. Look out. And a breakaway chance.
Henry!
Stuck by Lundqvist.
Nice play.
Control. Rangers moving out.
Ski! Ski!
3-on-2. Beachy drops it back. Hayes trying to stuff it in.
Oh, it's loose! Unbelievable.
Carolina uniform for Nino Niederreiter. Zuccarello across.
Oh!
Escape.
Ski!
There's Zibanejad. Shea goes to the net. Zuccarello.
Ah, we're pacing too much!
Zibanejad.
Look at Tony D!
He's hitting iron.
Nice pass! Oh my God, Phillip! Skate, Tony!
Play it. He is down on the ice. Made by McGinn. In front.
Henry!
On Martin. Svechnikov's pass blocked by Mark Stahl.
Skate, you have 4!
Heedle. And stopped by Hamilton. Good for the whistle.
Fogle got a stick up high on Domestikov.
And David Quinn.
These officials are horrible, man. They're horrible. That's bad. That's a bad call. That's a bad non-call.
Right.
Out of my Star Z.
Turbine and Shea takes it back.
Where's the hook?
It's a penalty.
Absolutely!
Penalty play. Rangers' first power play.
Groups Slavin wave to move it. McCain moves in, leaves it. And the Liners pass across, they score! Warren Fogle. The fourth line of the Carolina Hurricanes breaks through. And Stafford against Aho takes it away. In front for Heedle, went right through. Here's Brendan Smith.
Heedle's hurt.
He tried to break it in and swept down to the crease. That shot saved by Mrazek on Shattenkirk.
Heedle's hurt.
And Heedle is hurt without his stick.
What
In
happened?
his face.
Let's to it. Hayes fires off the side of the net.
Come on, Booch. Come on now. Power play, absolutely.
Rangers get a power play in the locker room.
I mean, we can't even score a goal for them.
Slavin checks in. Domestikov battles.
What is that?
Taken down.
This game.
Rangers having trouble getting up ice. Martinook takes it back for Carolina. Minute 25 to go. Pesci lifts it on the backhand out of the zone. Racing for the puck. McGinn. McGinn gets there, drops it back. They score.
Damn it.
Svechnikov gets the empty. See that.
Just thought I'd let you know.
But we're coming. Another empty net goal from, how about that? From deep in their own zone. The empty net goal.
What a joke. A 3-0 loss. There's no way that should be a 3-0 loss.